So far, we have learned how Python stores data and how it makes decisions. Now, we are going to make Python repeat actions. In this video, we are learning loops, one of the most powerful tools in programming. If statements help Python decide, loops help Python repeat. Let's get into it. What is a loop? A loop lets Python run the same block of code multiple times. Instead of writing the same line over and over again, we use a loop. There are two main types of loops in Python: for loops and while loops. This is the for loop. A for loop is used when you want to know how many times you want to repeat something. It is commonly used with something called range. This is what range is called. Python starts counting at 0. The while loop. This is an example of a while loop. A while loop runs as long as a condition is true. The moment the condition becomes false, the loop stops. You must update your condition or the loop will run forever. Infinite loops. If the condition never becomes false, the loop never stops. This is called an infinite loop. Beginners do this all the time. It's normal. Loops with user input. Loops are often used to keep asking for input until something is correct. This is how many real programs work. This is why loops matter. Games, websites, apps, they are all using loops. Loops are everywhere. If you understand loops, you're thinking like a programmer. That's the foundation of loops in Python. In the next episode, we'll combine loops and lists. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.